going on, everybody? It's your girl Snkrmom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx. Let's get into it.
This is Phase Ed Music.
First, you got this regular brown box, pretty much brown everywhere going around the box. But we're going to open up the inside of the box where it shows everything about the shoe. And the inside says foam. Then right here you got RNR for runner. But then on the inside of the front tab right here, that shows you where usually this is on the outside of the box. It's on the inside and it says Yeezy Foam Runner and the color is Onyx, Onyx, Onyx. Let's get into the main ingredient of the video. Here we go, the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx. Alright, first of all, I'm going to start off by saying this is my first foam runner. Never had a foam runner before. Never liked foam runners before. But I just finally pulled the trigger and I was like, you know what, this is all white black foam runner. I had my first pair of black Yeezy slides. Those were so comfortable. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and try these foam runners out. And here we go. I got the Onyx. The colorway, can't go wrong with this colorway. All black. I mean, goes with everything. But to me, I mean, they're still ugly. Don't get me wrong. I ain't gonna flex. They're ugly. It's an ugly shoe. But these things are super, super comfortable. Like, that outweighs the way the shoe look. The comfortability of the shoe, I don't even care how it looks. These are it for me. I love them. So now I'm on the foam runner bandwagon. And let's get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, you just got an all black EVA foam shoe. Pretty much same as the slides, just all black everywhere. Except for you had these different little holes going on throughout the shoe everywhere. I guess it's just, I don't know why they had a hole. It's just, I mean, you got the extra breathability when you put them on. Just, you know, I mean, it's just a weird looking shoe. To me, when I used to always look at them, I'd be like, man, these are like some alien shoes. And of course, yeah, they still do. And but I just had to go ahead and try them out, and I'm not mad. I'm not mad that I finally went ahead and caught me a pair. I love them. I don't care how they look on my foot, but even though to me they look fine because I have a small foot, so they just look, I mean, they're not bad at all. So here we go. Like I said, all black EVA foam. Pretty much nothing to it. Just EVA foam everywhere. Inside of the shoe, you got the size tag. And then you got the nice just black footbed on there with that extra cushion on the footbed of the shoe. Going to the bottom of the shoe is just all black EVA foam on the bottom of the shoe. Also, you got the back of the heel of the shoe. Got that little, just like it's going up into the heel, just all black EVA foam. Sides to the shoes, you got these little holes going on throughout the sides of the shoe. On both sides to the shoe look the same. Top of the shoe right here, you got these three little line openings. Just to me, just reminding you of a predator. I mean, that's just what it looks like to me. But I mean, just all in all, it's just a black EVA foam shoe, but just very, very comfortable. Like, I see what the hype was about. Before, I was like, you know, I just can't see myself wearing those. They're ugly. And here I go. So, I mean, y'all let me know. Are you on the foam runner bandwagon? Have you always liked foam runners? Like, did you go for this pair? This is the black Onyx pair. To me, this is the most wearable pair because, of course, it's black. But, I mean, it's a bunch of different colorways that they have out. All very nice. But I just wasn't with it. But now that I am, like, this is my color. The next color I would want to get would be, like, the light sand colorway looking. Because it looked like it would match a lot of things also. But the black ones was the main ones I really did want since I finally got the slide. So I'm satisfied. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think. Is this a good cop or should I have passed? Did you try to go for these or did you pass on? Y'all let me know down in the comments below. But this was the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your black EVA foam going all throughout the whole shoe. Nice little air bubbles, just bubbles coming, I mean, not airwave, just holes going on throughout the whole side of the shoe. All the way to the top of the shoe. You got your holes right here on top of the shoe also. Holes on the side. Then you got that little hook coming up into the back of the heel. Inside the shoe, just got your size tab with that black EVA foam footbed right there. It also has this tag on it that says Yeezy Foam Runner. That's pretty much what comes on the side of the shoe. And on the bottom of the shoe is just all black EVA foam. But like I said, just a very comfortable shoe. I can tell that they will be very durable because the slides, they are very durable also. So very nice shoe to just wear. I mean, just to have your toes out. Even some people might wear them with socks. Me, I'm gonna wear it with no socks because I just like the breathability of the air flowing through my toes. That's just me. But I know a lot of people wear them with socks. But y'all just let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them. Do you like foam runners or do you not like them? Just let me know. This was the left shoe, so that was pretty much it for these. I mean, the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx colorway. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think about them. I love them. Now that I actually have put on a pair, these are my go-tos besides the slides. And yeah, I mean, they retail for $90. They came out on June the 8th, I think. I just received mine, but I got them on June the 8th also. I don't know what FedEx had going on with their shipping, but just received them. Glad I was able to finally get them in hand. And yeah, like, these are it for me. I love them. The foam runners, I like them. I don't know what it is with these Yeezy brand and everything he got going on. I love the different shoes. I love when something looks different. So I just like, hey, let me go ahead and go for these. And hey, these are it for me. That's all I pretty much got for the Yeezy Foam Runner. Y'all let me know if y'all try to cop. Did you pass on them? If you're new to watching my channel, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button so you can know when I post all my videos. I know I just said that backwards. Hit the subscribe button, then hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Snkrmom1721. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. Stay tuned to the end for the on foot of with these on in them. Yeah, Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. Very cool shoe, very different shoe. Nice, breathable. Fall, winter, summer. You can wear them anytime. Socks, no socks. Totally up to you. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl, Snkrmom. Peace. Now on these, I did go true to size. I know most people were saying that they sized the full size up and they was extra big on them. So on these, I would say go true to size. I'm a men's size 6 normally in all my shoes, so I did go with men's size 6 in these, and they fit perfectly as you can see.